How to build custom reports in a CRM system. First of all, open any web browser and navigate to the HubSpot website. If you are new to HubSpot, you need to create a new account to proceed. Once you are logged in, it will redirect you to the HubSpot homepage. Now, to build a custom report, locate the reporting section on the left vertical menu and select the reports tab to open it. Here you can see existing reports and also have the option to create a new ones. HubSpot offers various reporting options, but we are focusing on creating custom reports. From the top right side, click on the Create Report button. Next, you will be presented with different report building options. Click on the Custom Report Builder to start crafting a report. As a custom report builder opens up, you will find two different options, but I will go with start with a dataset. Choosing the right dataset is crucial. Depending on your needs, you might choose dataset related to the contacts, companies, deals, or any other data points relevant to your business metrics. Take your time to explore the data and lay out to tailor a report that best fits your business objectives. HubSpot offers features like filters, sorting, and visualization tools that can explore to optimize your custom report. And that's it. This is how you can build custom reports in a CRM system. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.